C1. That been come already with a red dot, and it's like a compact. Yeah, a lot of people, I'm talking about they switching to compacts now. At first they was on full size. I'm just saying, Now I start seeing people trying to switch to compacts now. At first they,
Yeah, I love
all
compact.
that, huh?
I love compact guns, man.
What, man?
I don't like carrying a big ass gun, bro. You
Big bitch,
know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
not a full size, yeah. But
I
carrying, you want,
nah. You want
ah,
to be
how that
comfortable. You
bit.
want to be comfortable, yeah.
Yeah, man, you gotta sit. Look, you gotta sit a certain way. You gotta nudge the bitch to this way or nudge it that way. Yeah, I feel you. Yeah, I don't give a damn what nobody say. Yeah, them big bitches is hard to maneuver. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Still, for real, no cap. But that old the micros, yeah, man. Say the bitch nice too, big Mike. Say the bitch nice, man. That it's like for like probably like 350. But the
Like
gun
today,
come
I
with
got a
reload.
4 size gun today because I got this a 4 size gun in
Oh,
this one. You know what I'm
okay. Already, see, full subscription
saying?
coming soon. So play with him. You thought he was just sitting there, didn't y'all? Y'all thought he was just sitting there chilling, didn't you? Play pussy you want to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. 5-7 game.
Hey,
5-7 game.
we playing strap check. Oh, we playing strap check.
5-7 game.
Oh
5-7
shit.
game.
Oh shit. We playing strap check. Oh shit. Strap check.
5-7
Strap
game.
check. Strap check. Big
Oh,
4-5.
that's big
Ain't playing
4-5
no
right there.
game.
Yeah.
Hollow. Yeah.
Yeah.
You know I'm a Springfield guy. You know I'm a Springfield.
Yeah.
What the hell? Strap check. We stay ready
That big.
like a loaded like bow.
I already know that was
You know,
big
talk
4-5.
about it.
When that don't turn around, I know that was big 4-5.
And that mug got that CT on it. Yeah, we rocking red dots too. You did.
Yeah.
We ain't playing no game. Upgrade. I told y'all for the new year I upgrade.
I got 2 red dots. I just ain't put. I gotta put them on. I gotta put them on there. I ain't put them on there yet.
Yeah, man, I gotta find me a good one to put on my the 5.7 too though. Yeah, I might give me a CD to put on that one, but I'm trying to find me one to put on my goddamn Ross Martin Dallas detail. You know what I'm talking about? So I still gotta
Yeah.
trick that bad bitch out. So it's man, we got some shit coming. You hear me? Yeah, it's going down, y'all. Stay popping, non stop, y'all. It's going down, y'all. I just come to let y'all know. I got the best bros. You hear me? We pop out, we shut it down. I told y'all, man, we send trends. I told y'all, when I say pop out with the bros, y'all already know, man. Collab with your bros. Let's get it.
I know. Hey,
I
hey,
told
hey,
y'all, man.
hey, 2A vet. I like carrying with iron sights too, man. But I'm gonna get
Yeah,
down to the
man, me
red dots.
too. Oh,
I
yeah,
got.
but see,
Yeah.
that's why I be trying to tell people. I see nowadays, you still got to earn sights on it anyway. So
Yeah.
really, I still earn sight guy anyway. Go, I just like how it look tactical, you know what I'm talking about. Just like I like red dots and shit. It just make it look tactical. And, like I
Yeah.
said, I like my shit looking like Tomb Raider, no cap. You dig? So yeah, it's going down, y'all. I like me some Tomb Raider, y'all, no cap. So yeah, I'm gonna have my shit looking, talking about 3D barrel, no cap, y'all. So yeah, I'm a 3D barrel guy, no cap. So calm down. I ain't got
Oh
no
yeah. We already know that.
compressors. I ain't
We
got
know.
no compressors
We,
yet.
we know you like them 30 birds, bro. On everything.
I'm compensated down.
With
Anything
them
with 9 mm,
compensated,
I
boy.
probably got every compensator for it. No cap. It's going down, y'all. I told y'all we gonna pop that right out. But like other people say, I ain't got no upgrades. Don't let me put that tank on that bitch. What? I got a 9 mm tank. Put that bitch on my Taurus. Make you haters mad. Be like, I know he ain't got that on. Yes, I do. I bet it still work too. Try me. Try me. Yeah, I put all them Amazon kits on my shit and think it still mess up my gun. It's just a kit. The gun still work, dummies. What they say, goofies? Yeah, you goofies. All it is just an outside kit. You hear me? The bitch still work. So y'all always want to hate on somebody got Amazon this, Amazon that. You better make sure that gun don't work and stop hating on dumbass. You already know, bro. These dumbasses is crazy. Oh, you got an Amazon kit on it. Oh, you think they're gonna stop my gun from working? Get in front of this motherfucker. Come on. Come on. Come on. I wanna see you. You dumbass. Y'all
them,
be hating
them,
on
them,
Amazon this. Okay.
them bullets ain't come from Amazon in the gun.